Here's what's happening Wednesday, November 18th at the World's Fair. At 9:30 a.m., we're going to start off with a presentation with our people and Celette talking about setup and measure. What are the differences of setup and measure for blueprinting, initial checks, pre-measurements, etc.? And what are the differences between setup and measure when the vehicle's in the structural department, when actual repairs and pulling and verifications are going to need to be done? We'll talk about what it looks like when you use lifting platforms, benches, or a two-post lift, and which measuring systems or types of measuring systems are best for each of those applications. In addition, we'll be discussing some of the times that it takes to perform some of these and how to make sure that each of your departments, whether it's your structural or your blueprinting, are efficient. At 12, we'll be joined by AirPro and Subaru to talk about scanning and diagnostics of Subaru vehicles. There is a lot of technology in the cars, from eyesight to many of the other features that Subaru has. And they take their love campaign seriously in the way that they treat their customers and how they feel the vehicle should last. So we're going to have an in-depth discussion on the tooling that it takes to actually repair, scan, calibrate, and return a Subaru vehicle back to the road, which you can use and what you can't. At 2:30, one of my favorite people is going to be joining us. We're going to be talking about the entire line of Vitek products. Now, you've seen several of them make a couple of cool tools episodes, from the door edge guards to TechMap. Well, they're back to not only take us through that product line, but to show us a brand new one, a bed liner application kit and process. We'll be going through actually applying a bed liner to a vehicle we have here in the shop. And then we'll be talking about some repair techniques to bed liners that you may be experiencing in your shop as you're replacing bedside panels or tailgates or some other options. Then we'll add a little bit of a discussion at the end on how bed liners can be a potential new source of revenue to your shop for things besides just truck bed liners. What are all the things that you can cover with the kit? All of these episodes are going to be streaming live onto YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. So you can watch them where you want, how you want, with no registration required. But if you miss one of the live episodes and can't participate with us, well, no problem. All of the replays are going to be available to you on YouTube. We'll see you at the World's Fair.